Here I've got Motorola Moto G8 Plus, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So actually you have two methods. Let's start with the first, the quicker one. Just open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And as you can see now, you can come along with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device and also with serial number. Click on OK to go back, and now we will open both numbers through the settings. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open system, and then go to the about phone. And now a bit lower, you will be able to come along with both IMEI numbers, and then under model and hardware you can read your serial number right here. So this is it, that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily locate IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.